Protecting childhood, aligning values in guardianship choices. According to a recent study published in the New York Post, parents' top fear today is children losing their childhood to digital addiction, privacy risks, and emotional struggles. Now, can we wonder why, as parents, we're so selective about the character and values of the people shaping and influencing our children's lives? And what would happen if we weren't around to do so? We're going to talk about that in just a moment. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. But today we're going to talk about one of our newer programs called 𝗥𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁, which stands for the Youth Incentive Program, Planning Estates Early. It's focused on helping young individuals, young adults really, and young families with minor children. Now, if you find this information interesting, please share, because the goal is to spread the word and help as many people as we can together. So choosing who you name as the guardians under your estate plan matters more now than ever with all of these outside influences. And it's not just about, family or who's the next in line. Guardianship really needs to be based on the values that you want portrayed and continue to be reinforced with your children. That's hard to find. And the right guardian can and should protect, your child's well-being, their privacy and safety, their emotional, social development, as well as, of course, educational and financial interests. It is one of the most important decisions, and usually the trickiest for parents, but the most important that we'll make on behalf of our children. Because if something does arise where they need that outside person other than you will have had a say in who that will be and how they will raise your child based on their values that hopefully are close in alignment with yours. Now, we know today's parents are spending, precious time and resources for their kids and on their families. And that's why we have created the new 𝗥𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁 program. It's efficient, it's simple, it's cost effective, and families in New York and New Jersey can get their core estate plan and capacity for themselves and guardianship for their kids in a simple process. You can still apply for our next group event by going to 𝗥𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁.com, YIPPEE plan.com, to see if your family qualifies. And there should be a link in the bio below. Now, whether you choose 𝗥𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁 or not, we really do urge you to talk with someone about estate planning to get started. Those families who do fall outside of our 𝗥𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁 program parameters, you are still welcome to schedule a free consultation with Zammitti Law at 𝗷𝗺PlanningAttorney.com. I've said it so many times. If you've seen us at all, you know. But again, if you're uncertain, there's no harm, there's no repercussions, there's no ties or requirements if you do apply for the 𝗥𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁 plan and just are outside those parameters because maybe you have something unique in your family or asset makeup. So 𝗥𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁.com, if you're interested, we'd be happy to help. And remember, it's not always about who's related. It's about who's the right person for your kids. Again, I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey, as well as the creators of the 𝗥𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁 program. We hope you've learned something new here today. Don't forget, share, and take care. Bye-bye.